Well, we're at Mountain Creek, Duff.
Exactly.
We're not at work.
That's why I drank a Red Bull with that piece of pizza.
All right.
I just got to get my feet back under me now.
Duff needs to start the fire.
Yeah.
The old U.S. Open course went down that.
Yeah.
It went down that and it went into there. I think, or it went into here somewhere. I don't know. It went in somewhere in there. That was in 2017.
Have you ever done stigma, Sean?
Have I ever done what?
Stigma.
No.
Alright. I can't get there today. This is the race.
Did you get shorter levers for your brakes?
I did. I got the small finger lever.
Oh, okay. They look nifty.
Yeah.
Got it? Oh man, are we gonna touch tires?
We just started.
Let me put my gloves on.
For whatever reason, all the people are attracted to that.
That last time we went down that, I almost went off one of those boards. I came over that second rock and I was like, oh shit, there's a board on the other side of this. I was going the wrong way. I was in
Is that why you stopped?
Yeah. Yeah, I had to turn my wheel a little bit.
I think it's Patrick Town Exodus.
Have you done the big line on the video yet? To the
I don't
right?
know where it is. I think
Oh,
we're gonna need to stop at some of those big boulders.
Yeah. Way! Oh shit, here comes another one. Oh, fuck.
Make sure it was gonna be okay, but
Yeah, yeah.
and it doesn't really seem to limit my movement.
Yeah.
You know, in dirt biking, you're not allowed to have a GoPro like that.
Really?
Yeah, it's a rule.
Huh. Are we good?
Yeah, it's good.
All right.
You go in front of me or behind me?
Lead it off, Patrick.
What?
Go get it, Patrick.
Let's
Loop it around. Loop it around. Woo! Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Looking good, dude. Do Bob Gnarly.
Gnarl.
Yeah, let's go, Eric.
Hit the jump line and follow me so I get some ass and stop.
Okay. I'll follow you.
Stop after the third one.
Aaron,
You're gonna stop after
are
the third
you
one.
staying here or are you going with them?
I'm gonna stay here.
Yeah, I'll stay with you.
All right, I'm gonna
Warm up
session.
a little more.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay here in session.
I don't know where it is.
How do we get?
You don't need to know where it is. You just need to follow me.
But you gotta watch that one drop by the tree with the rock, and then there's that one 200 yards down on the left. You ready? No, you goofballs. He just scared me.
You wearing knee pads under this?
Yeah, I'm gonna branch just after the third one. I'm just gonna.
I'll get
stop.
you in the GoPro, Eric.
Yeah, cool.
All right.
Line her up.
Did you get the race course, Sean?
Yeah,
How is it?
it's good.
Is it?
Yeah. We ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
I'll stop at Salvation.
Yeah, give me. Alright. I said, give me a little bit.
See you later, Eric. Woo!
Dude, he almost landed on me. I go slow too, and I was like, I was too slow.
All right.
Foot on my pedal.
You literally. Hey, that's fun. Patrick, Dad got a video. Your tire just about landed on my front tire.
Yeah, I got awkward.
I was a little close.
Oh, there's Bob Gnarly right
Let's get awkward on this. Free ride ain't dead. Ah, missed the turn.
Fuck this. What are you guys doing to my bike?
Yeah, I want to wait for Duffy.
Yeah.
There's good grip on all them rocks.
Yeah, not bad.
Tires and fuck your
I mean,
rims.
I'm a pretty smooth rider.
Let's do it, huh? Yeah, drop ya.
Is he good?
Yeah.
that dude's wild.
Dude, I went deep on that drop. What the hell? I didn't
Hell
think
yeah,
I'd have
dude.
It, but I just
Fuck yeah, that's
stayed
awesome.
on it. That was fun.
Great job.
Big drop.
Woo! Going for the Phantom. Fuck it, I'll follow you off. Ah, dude, I hate this drop.
Have you ever done it?
Yeah. Oh, it's not that bad.
It doesn't look that bad. It's just you can't see the landing. So like,
Just go, dude, just go fast. You'll be good. Ugh. Phantom it.